Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 year. Here we have a NASCAR Appendix from the 2020 Wave 2 of the NASCAR 187 Diecast. We have Martin Truex Jr.'s Bass Pro Shops and a Series XM car. On the back, let's get both of these cars out of the box. Once again, I need a little... Oh yeah, these obviously take really a long time to get them out of the box. So here are both cars. So first let's start with Martin Truex Jr.'s Bass Pro Shops car. So this is his new version, his 2020 car, or his 2019. Well, he usually drove the same thing. Usually there are all black 19s. Usually the sides would usually be white, but sometimes that's his other alternate version. Bass Pro, BassPro.com, Cabela's, Tracker, Boats, ATV. You have a pretty simple orange and black paint scheme, which is obviously pretty nice. Let's move on to a Series XM car. Now, Series XM is a radio station, yeah. Obviously, a dark blue. Usually I think there might be a light blue, but I don't know. So Series XM, like I said, is a radio station. Bass Pro Shops. The white lines. Pretty good paint scheme. Cool. A blue hood with a black 19. White 19 on the side. Series XM. Yeah. Let's give a look at both cars. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.